Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm now in Bordeaux in France. I took a high-speed train from Paris, about 2 hours from Paris to here this morning to continue on my mini vacation after my work week. So I'm going to give you a room tour and I will let you know why I select this hotel because it's not in downtown area. Because for Marriott collection, they only have the Moxie, which is close to here, and then this Renaissance, and then the Sheraton Hotel is at the airport. So because I need to accumulate my nights for the Platinum Elite for 2025, so I decided to stay here because I can Uber anywhere. But actually I'm quite happy that I stay because you can tell before even my room tour is an amazing suite that I have. It's called the Impressionist 1-bedroom suite. Okay, so let me do a quick room tour for you. So this is where I am getting in the door. On my right hand side, they do have a powder room. Okay. And then on my left is the wardrobe. Which they have the luggage rack, iron and iron board, 7 hangers. So basically that's a simple wardrobe. And then they have the Nespresso coffee machine and this kind of capsule available. Okay, so take a look here. They have a safe deposit box here, which is pretty big in size. Good to put in the computer, which is great. Okay, so they have a television here. It's called the Impressionist Suite because they have some design element here and there. So there's one piece here and then some paintings. They do have the kettle for tea. And then let's take a look, laundry. Okay, they do not have mini bar, but they do have the fridge to put in stuff, which is nice. And probably everyone will be amazed with this signature chair, you know, the swing chair that you can sit here and relax, you know, watching the views and everything. And it's interesting because it's really facing either inside or facing the view. So it's a little bit weird to sit there to be watching TV, but anyway, that's all right. And then the sofa area with the lighting and the backdrop. And then you can see that is actually the wine museum. It's so close because they have another door that you can walk out and then you can walk to the wine museum. And this is the market. You know, again, this is a door that you can walk out and then experience the market for lunch and for a lot of interesting authentic local experience. So I'm really happy that I choose here, although it's not in the downtown city area. This is definitely a very nice place, nice location now that I'm here, that I can definitely recommend it to you. Okay, so walking in the bedroom, thick mattress, same good pillow, linen. Okay, and then with additional sitting lounge area here. And you can see here's the button for the TV to go up. Okay, so at night if I do not want the view and want to watch TV, basically I can raise this up and then I can watch TV you know, at my bed. Okay, so I'm going to put this down because I have to press it, if not, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so now it's all set back to the secret place. Now walking in from this door is at the back is the bathroom area. So definitely they have the rain shower. And then this is their amenities. Okay, with like double sink, to nice bathroom. This is the slipper. It's not the best, but still they have slippers. And then other amenities for the bathtub. Okay, and then expect the unexpected. Even the W Hotel in London doesn't use Dyson hair dryer, and they are using Dyson hair dryer. So I'm happy with that. Okay, and then this is the dressing table, makeup table, so to speak, with a makeup mirror. And going back here also can enter the bathroom two-way, you know, like the entrance that I walk in and then I walk out from here. So basically that is a very good size one bedroom suite. In the beginning I'm worried about the location, but now I'm pretty happy with the location. So I'm going to go out and check it out and have some lunch here, and then go over to the wine museum, and then go to other museum, and then I'm going to have some wine tours in the next day, tomorrow, and I'm going to Uber to the pickup point, and that will be easy enough. So I'm happy that I choose to stay here. Oh, by the way, they do not have the club lunch, so they offer me breakfast. So that's what I will do. Hopefully tomorrow morning, if not the day after, because tomorrow I may have an early start. So anyway, I will definitely show you the breakfast as well. So again, just follow me and I will show you the full review of this hotel. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't been yet. Good morning, Bordeaux. Actually, it's already 8 o'clock in the morning. I do not have to wake up early, so I'm enjoying the sunrise here in my room, in my suite. So this is the view from my room. The swing chair is here, and I can sit here at the sofa to enjoy the sunrise. So good morning, everyone. This is Anita C. Okay, so this is the back door of the hotel, and just opposite is the marketplace. And then right there is the wine museum.